Mastering Social Media Marketing: 10 Innovative ChatGPT Strategies. Social media has transformed the landscape of marketing in today's digital age. Businesses are constantly seeking innovative strategies to enhance their social media efforts and connect with their target audience. In this video, we will explore 10 cutting-edge strategies using ChatGPT that can revolutionize social media marketing. From personalized content creation to AI-powered content curation, these strategies are designed to maximize engagement and leverage social intelligence. Strategy number 1: Personalized content creation. Overview. Personalized content creation stands out as a powerful strategy in social media marketing because it directly addresses the desire for unique, tailored experiences among audiences. By using tools like ChatGPT, businesses can analyze user data and preferences to create content that feels specially made for each follower. This approach not only captures attention more effectively but also fosters a deeper connection between the brand and its customers, paving the way for increased loyalty and higher conversion rates. Why it works. 1. Direct address to user preferences. By focusing on the individual's interests and needs, personalized content makes each user feel valued and understood. 2. Increased engagement. Tailored recommendations and offers get more interaction, as they're more relevant to the audience. 3. Higher conversion rates. Personalization leads to content that is more compelling to the user, encouraging actions like purchases or sign-ups. Step-by-step plan. Identify your audience. Gather data on your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. Conduct research. Use social listening tools to understand trends and preferences within your target market. Create buyer personas. Develop detailed profiles for different segments of your audience. Plan content topics. Generate a list of topics that align with your audience's interests and pain points. Develop a content calendar. Organize your content strategy with a calendar to maintain consistency. Craft personalized content. Utilize insights from your research to create content tailored to your audience's preferences. Incorporate feedback. Analyze engagement and feedback to refine and improve your content strategy. Elements of success. Deep audience understanding. Knowing your audience well allows for highly relevant content creation. Consistency in delivery. Regular posting according to a content calendar keeps the audience engaged. Feedback loop. Using audience feedback for continuous improvement ensures content remains compelling. Strategy number 2: Social listening and trend analysis. Overview. Social listening and trend analysis empower businesses to stay ahead in the fast-paced social media landscape by tuning into the conversations and interests of their target audience. This strategy aids in identifying emerging trends, customer pain points, and interests, enabling the creation of resonant and timely content. Staying on top of trends ensures that a brand's content remains fresh and engaging, helping it stand out in a crowded marketplace. Why it works. 1. Alignment with audience interests. Provides a clear insight into what the audience cares about. 2. Proactive content creation. Allows businesses to anticipate and lead conversations rather than follow. 3. Competitive advantage. Keeping pace with trends sets a brand apart from competitors who may be slower to adapt. Step-by-step plan. Define objectives. Know what you want to achieve with your social media efforts. Conduct audience research. Use tools to monitor conversations, trends, and topics of interest. Develop a content calendar. Plan your content around identified trends and audience interests. Utilize ChatGPT for content ideas. Leverage AI to generate unique content ideas based on trends. Monitor results. Use analytics to track performance and adjust strategies accordingly. Experiment with new strategies. Stay adaptable and try out new approaches based on data insights. Engage with your audience. Foster community by interacting directly with followers. Elements of success. Data-driven decisions. Making content choices based on solid data and trends. Flexibility. Being willing to adjust strategies based on performance and feedback. Direct engagement. Building relationships through active participation in conversations. Strategy number 3: Chatbot development for customer support. Overview. Developing chatbots for customer support leverages AI technology to provide prompt, personalized assistance on social media platforms. This strategy addresses the challenge of managing a high volume of customer inquiries efficiently, improving response times, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Chatbots can handle common queries instantly, freeing up human resources for more complex issues. thus streamlining customer support processes. Why it works. 1. Immediate responses. Customers receive quick answers to their queries, improving their experience. 2. 24/7 availability. Chatbots ensure that customer support is available round the clock. 3. Resource efficiency. Automating routine inquiries allows staff to focus on more nuanced customer needs. Step-by-step plan. Define chatbot goals. Decide what you want your chatbot to achieve in terms of customer support. Identify customer needs. Analyze common queries and concerns to inform your chatbot's knowledge base. Design conversational flow. Map out how interactions should proceed to provide helpful support. Train your chatbot. Use historical data to educate your chatbot on handling various queries effectively. Test and refine. Continuously improve your chatbot based on user interactions and feedback. Integrate with platforms. Deploy your chatbot across your social media channels for easy access. Elements of success. Comprehensive training data, ensuring the chatbot is well equipped to handle a wide range of queries. User-friendly design, creating an intuitive interface that facilitates easy interaction. Continuous improvement, regularly updating the chatbot's capabilities based on new insights and feedback. By implementing these strategies thoughtfully and consistently, small business owners can significantly enhance their social media marketing efforts, engaging their target audience more effectively and building stronger relationships with their customers. Strategy number 4, competitive analysis insights. Overview. Understanding what your competitors are doing on social media can offer valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. This strategy involves analyzing competitors' social media activities to refine your approach, identify opportunities, and stay ahead in the game. Why it works. It offers a pragmatic approach to learning from the successes and failures of others in your industry. 1. It offers a pragmatic approach to learning from the successes and failures of others in your industry. 2. This not only saves time and resources but also helps in crafting strategies that are proven to engage audiences. Step-by-step plan. Identify competitors. List down key competitors with a strong social media presence. Analyze activities. Look into their content strategy, engagement rates, follower growth, and any campaigns they run. Benchmark performance. Compare their social media metrics with yours to identify gaps and opportunities. Adapt strategies. Incorporate successful elements from competitors while maintaining your unique brand voice. Continuous monitoring. Keep an eye on competitors and industry trends to adjust your strategies accordingly. Elements of success. Leveraging industry benchmarks, informed strategy adjustments, and proactive trend adaptation. Strategy number 5, influencer collaboration strategy. Overview. The essence of this strategy is to leverage the credibility and audience of social media influencers to promote your brand or product. It's about finding influencers whose followers mirror your target audience and collaborating with them to create engaging content. This approach not only enhances brand visibility but also drives conversions through trusted endorsements. Pain point addressed. The primary hurdle for small businesses in social media marketing is gaining the trust and attention of potential customers. The influencer collaboration strategy provides a solution by tapping into the established trust between influencers and their audience, allowing businesses to break through the noise and connect with their audience more genuinely and effectively. Step-by-step plan. Define goals and objectives. Start by clarifying what you aim to achieve with influencer collaborations. It could be increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or boosting sales. Identify relevant influencers. Utilize social media tools to discover influencers who align with your brand's values and have an audience that matches your target demographic. Focus on engagement rates and content quality over follower count alone. Establish partnerships. Reach out with personalized messages, explaining why a partnership would be mutually beneficial. Discuss collaboration terms, including compensation and expectations. Create engaging content. Work closely with influencers to create content that resonates with both your brands and appeals to the target audience. This could range from sponsored posts and giveaways to product reviews. Monitor and measure results. Evaluate the success of your collaborations by tracking metrics such as engagement rates, website traffic, and conversions. Regular collaborations can help maintain consistent engagement with your audience. Elements of success. The key elements that contribute to the success of an influencer collaboration strategy include choosing the right influencers, creating authentic and engaging content, and maintaining transparent and mutually beneficial partnerships. Monitoring outcomes and adapting based on performance metrics are also crucial for long-term success. Strategy number 6, data-driven campaign optimization. Overview. Data-driven campaign optimization is pivotal in mastering social media marketing. It allows businesses to analyze data and metrics to make informed decisions, optimizing campaigns for improved results. This method focuses on monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, such as engagement rates, reach, click-through rates, and conversions to fine-tune targeting, content, and ad spending. Why it works. 1. Small business owners find this strategy particularly effective because it enables them to allocate their resources more efficiently, ensuring that every dollar spent on advertising is working towards achieving their marketing goals. Step-by-step plan. Define campaign goals. Clarify what you aim to achieve with your social media efforts. Identify key metrics. Select metrics that best measure your campaign's success. Conduct data analysis. Use social intelligence tools to analyze your campaign data. Optimize content strategy. Tailor content based on data insights to meet your audience's preferences. Implement A/B testing. Experiment with different ad elements to see what works best. Refine targeting. Adjust your targeting strategy based on demographic, geographic, and behavioral data. Monitor and measure. Keep track of campaign performance and make necessary adjustments. Stay up to date. Adapt your strategy based on the latest social media trends and algorithm changes. Elements of success. The effectiveness of this strategy lies in its ability to use real-time data to make informed decisions, ensuring campaigns are constantly optimized for the best possible outcomes. Strategy number 7, interactive polls and quizzes. Overview. Interactive polls and quizzes are powerful tools for engaging audiences and collecting valuable insights on social media. They encourage participation and can provide businesses with data to inform future marketing efforts. Why it works. For small business owners, these tools are invaluable for increasing engagement and understanding their audience's preferences without significant investment. Step-by-step plan. Identify objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with interactive content. Choose the right platform. Pick a platform frequented by your target audience. Design engaging questions. Create questions that are both interesting and relevant. Add visuals. Enhance your polls and quizzes with appealing graphics. Promote your content. Share across your channels to maximize participation. Analyze the results. Use insights gathered to understand your audience better. Tailor your marketing efforts. Adjust your strategies based on the collected data. Regularly update and iterate. Keep your content fresh based on feedback and trends. Elements of success. The success of this strategy lies in its dual ability to engage users while simultaneously gathering actionable insights, making it a cost-effective way for small businesses to enhance their marketing efforts. Strategy number 8, AI-powered content curation. Overview. AI-powered content curation uses artificial intelligence algorithms to find and curate relevant content for social media marketing. It helps businesses deliver fresh content consistently, aligning with their brand image and audience interests. Why it works. This strategy is particularly appealing to small business owners because it streamlines the content curation process, saving time and ensuring a steady stream of relevant content without the need for constant manual effort. Step-by-step plan. Identify goals. Set clear objectives for your content curation efforts. Select the right AI tool. Choose an AI tool that fits your needs and budget. Define target audience. Understand who you're curating content for. Set content guidelines. Decide on the type of content you want to focus on. Train AI algorithm. Feed relevant data to the AI for better recommendations. Customize recommendations. Specify keywords or topics to refine content suggestions. Monitor performance. Evaluate the impact of shared content on engagement and conversions. Adapt and evolve. Continuously refine your approach based on performance data and feedback. Elements of success. The key to success with AI-powered content curation lies in its ability to provide personalized, relevant content efficiently, keeping audiences engaged and saving businesses valuable time and resources in their marketing efforts. Strategy number 9, visual content enhancement suggestions. Overview. In the visually driven world of social media, standout graphics can significantly boost engagement. This strategy employs AI tools to analyze and suggest enhancements for visual content, making it more appealing without needing substantial design expertise. Why it works: it levels the playing field for small businesses by providing them access to high-quality visual content without the need for a professional designer. It ensures content is always fresh, relevant, and engaging. Step-by-step plan. Content analysis. Upload your visual content drafts to an AI-powered analysis tool. Receive suggestions. Get recommendations on improvements such as color correction, composition adjustments, and visual effects. Implement changes. Apply these suggestions using simple editing tools or software. Test engagement. Monitor audience engagement to see how the enhanced visuals perform and make further adjustments as needed. Elements of success. Accessibility to quality design advice, increased engagement through improved visuals, and efficient content production. Strategy number 10. Hashtag Strategy Generator. Overview. Hashtags are essential for discoverability on social media. This strategy utilizes an AI-driven hashtag generator to identify trending and relevant hashtags based on your content and industry, optimizing your posts for better visibility and engagement. Why it works: it simplifies the process of finding effective hashtags that connect your content with its intended audience. It also helps tap into trends and conversations relevant to your brand. Step-by-step plan. Define goals. Understand what you aim to achieve with your posts, be it brand visibility, traffic generation, or engagement. Keyword input. Enter keywords related to your post or industry into the hashtag generator tool. Select hashtags. Choose from the generated list of hashtags based on relevance and popularity. Monitor performance. Use analytics tools to track how well these hashtags perform in terms of reach and engagement, tweaking your strategy as needed. Elements of success. Strategic hashtag use for maximized reach, engagement with current trends, and data-driven adjustments. Conclusion. These 10 strategies offer a roadmap for small business owners aiming to amplify their social media marketing efforts. By understanding your audience better through emoji analysis, enhancing visual content with AI-powered suggestions, optimizing reach through strategic hashtag use, and gaining insights from competitive analysis, you can create more meaningful connections with your target audience. Remember, success in social media marketing doesn't come overnight but through consistent effort and strategic innovation. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, businesses can streamline their marketing efforts, boost customer engagement, and drive brand loyalty in the dynamic digital landscape. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on mastering social media marketing strategies with ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates in digital marketing. See you next time.